Welcome to this luxurious Motorhomes YouTube channel, the place where your dream journeys take shape and every tour brings you closer to the ultimate travel lifestyle. Today we're stepping into the world of innovation, comfort, and style with a motorhome that's turning heads everywhere. The Toyota Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of elegance on wheels, designed for those who believe that the journey should be just as extraordinary as the destination. From the very first glance, the exterior of this Toyota motorhome commands attention. The body is finished in a pristine, glossy white that reflects light beautifully, giving it a clean yet premium look. Accentuating this are the gold and orange graphics that sweep along its sides, adding a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The design is sleek and aerodynamic, with smooth contours that not only enhance its beauty, but also improve fuel efficiency on long drives. The large tinted panoramic windows stretch across the upper section, promising breathtaking views from inside while maintaining privacy. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome features a dual-axle rear setup for stability and a single front axle for precise handling, a combination that ensures a smooth, confident ride whether you're cruising down highways or navigating scenic back roads. The LED lighting is modern and energy efficient, perfectly integrated into the design to give it a futuristic edge, especially at night. As you walk around it, you notice the thoughtful touches, the flush-mounted storage compartments, the easy-access utility hookups, and the sturdy entry steps that welcome you aboard. The exterior isn't just about looks. It's about practicality and durability. Toyota has engineered this motorhome to handle long-distance travel with ease, making it ideal for cross-country, adventures, or extended stays at your favorite destinations. Step inside and the magic truly begins. The interior is a masterclass in space optimization and luxury living. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a warm, inviting atmosphere created by premium materials and clever lighting. The open-plan layout feels spacious yet cozy, with every inch designed to enhance comfort. Plush seating upholstered in high quality fabrics or leather invites you to relax, whether you're enjoying a quiet evening or entertaining guests. The living area flows seamlessly into the dining space, where a well-crafted table and comfortable chairs make meal times feel special. The kitchen is a dream for anyone who loves to cook on the road. It's fully equipped with modern appliances, a sleek cooktop, a convection microwave, a large refrigerator, and ample counter space for meal prep. The cabinetry is not only stylish but also offers generous storage, keeping everything organized and within reach. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, this kitchen makes it effortless. Moving towards the rear, you'll find the sleeping quarters designed for ultimate rest. The master bed is spacious and plush, with premium bedding that ensures a good night's sleep after a day of exploring. Large windows let in natural light during the day, while blackout shades guarantee privacy and darkness at night. Clever storage solutions, including overhead cabinets and underbed compartments, mean you can bring along everything you need without cluttering the space. The bathroom is another highlight, compact yet luxurious. It features a modern shower with excellent water pressure, a stylish vanity with a sink, and a well-designed toilet area. High-quality fixtures and finishes make it feel like a boutique hotel bathroom, proving that you don't have to sacrifice comfort when you're on the move. Throughout the interior, climate control keeps you comfortable in any weather, and the entertainment system ensures you're never bored. From a large flat-screen TV to a premium sound system, every detail is designed to make life on the road as enjoyable as possible. The lighting is adjustable, allowing you to set the mood whether you're reading, dining, or simply relaxing. What truly sets this Toyota motorhome apart is how it blends style, functionality, and reliability. Toyota's reputation for engineering excellence shines through in every detail. From the smooth ride to the efficient use of space, it's a vehicle built for those who want to explore without limits, bringing the comforts of home wherever they go. If you've been dreaming of a motorhome that offers both luxury and practicality, this Toyota model might just be the perfect fit. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment in between. surrounded by comfort, beauty, and smart design. So if you love exploring in style and want to see more incredible motorhome tours, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Join our community of travel enthusiasts. And let's keep discovering the most amazing motorhomes together. Your next adventure starts here, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.